The promise of fully autonomous vehicles often overlooks a fundamental mechanical challenge: how a car transfers power from its engine to the wheels. Despite advancements in artificial intelligence and sensor technology, the gearbox remains a critical hurdle, often dictating the limits of what a car can truly do without human intervention. Consider the paradox: a vehicle capable of complex decision-making in traffic, yet still reliant on a mechanical system designed for human input. This reliance highlights a core engineering dilemma for autonomous systems, particularly when confronted with the nuances of terrain, traction, and load. A manual transmission exemplifies direct human control. The driver operates a clutch pedal, disengaging the engine from the gearbox, and then manually selects a gear ratio using a lever. This engagement requires precise coordination, interpreting engine speed, road conditions, and desired acceleration. For an autonomous system, replicating this nuanced human control presents significant difficulty. The AI must interpret engine RPM, vehicle speed, and load, then simulate the delicate clutch modulation and rev-matching a skilled driver performs. A miscalculation leads to jarring shifts, stalling, or accelerated wear. Automatic transmissions introduced a degree of automation, replacing the clutch pedal with a torque converter and employing planetary gear sets. This design simplifies driving by eliminating the need for manual gear selection, allowing the car to manage power delivery through hydraulic pressure. The brain of an early automatic transmission was primarily a hydraulic valve body. This intricate network of passages and valves directed fluid pressure to engage specific clutches and bands, thereby selecting gears based on engine vacuum and governor pressure, reflecting vehicle speed and engine load. However, this hydraulic control came with trade-offs. The torque converter, while providing smooth engagement, introduced slippage, resulting in inherent efficiency losses compared to a direct mechanical connection. This limited the power delivered to the wheels and increased fuel consumption. To mitigate these losses, engineers developed lock-up clutches within the torque converter. These clutches mechanically coupled the engine to the transmission at cruising speeds, bypassing the fluid coupling and improving fuel economy, though still adding complexity and points of failure. Modern automatics integrate electronic control units, or TCUs. These computer systems process data from numerous sensors, including throttle position, wheel speed, and engine load, to precisely control hydraulic solenoids. This allows for adaptive shift mapping, optimizing performance or economy based on driving style and conditions. Dual-clutch transmissions, or DCTs, represent a further evolution. They employ two separate clutches, one for odd gears and one for even gears, operating in parallel. While one clutch transmits power, the other pre-selects the next anticipated gear, enabling extremely fast and smooth transitions without torque interruption. Yet, even with DCTs, challenges persist for full autonomy. The system relies on predictive algorithms to anticipate the next gear, which can be fooled by sudden changes in driver intention or unexpected road events. The nuance of a human driver feeling the traction limits remains difficult for a purely algorithmic system. The gearbox, whether manual or automatic, acts as a hidden brain, translating engine output into usable motive force. Its operational secrets lie in its mechanical and hydraulic complexities, which are fundamentally different from the digital logic of an AI. This mechanical brain introduces constraints and failure modes distinct from software glitches. Consider driving on ice. A human driver might gently modulate the throttle, select a higher gear to reduce torque, and slip the clutch minimally to maintain traction. An autonomous system must precisely replicate this nuanced interaction, which demands a deep understanding of frictional coefficients and dynamic load changes, parameters difficult to model perfectly. Failure points within these systems range from worn clutch discs in manuals to faulty solenoids or clogged valve bodies in automatics. Diagnosing these subtle mechanical failures, which often manifest as inconsistent shifting or power delivery, adds another layer of complexity for an autonomous system, often requiring human expertise. Ultimately, achieving full vehicle autonomy necessitates a deeper integration between the virtual intelligence of the car's computer and the mechanical intelligence of its gearbox. The future requires sophisticated sensing and control algorithms that can not only select gears but also anticipate and react to the physical limits and dynamic responses of the power trained with human-like intuition.